Very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek and today I'm going to be doing a keto egg spaghetti for you. Let's quickly go and watch the video. First, 4 whole eggs, olive oil, butter, seasoning and some water. First, in a pan we're going to take 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to whisk the 4 eggs. Once they're done, then we're going to add Himalayan salt as per taste. Whisk it once again and then put it in a pan. So once it's done on one side, you're going to flip it over to the other side and cook it for the next 2 to that is done. I'm going to quickly take it over. Now we're going to roll the egg and cut the same. Now in a serving dish, now in a pan, first I'm going to add butter. I'm going to add little water. To that I'm going to add little black pepper. Lastly I'm going to add little pink salt and give it a nice stir. Now I'm going to add my egg spaghetti to it. Lastly I'm going to top it up with 1 cheese slice. And our egg cheese spaghetti is ready. So our keto egg spaghetti is ready. It's simple, it's easy. Somebody who's following the ketogenic diet plan, it's an ideal meal for them because it consists of whole eggs and cheese. That means it's going to keep you in your ketogenic stage. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Please subscribe, hit that bell button so that you get information of every video we do. We do video on training, nutrition, Maahek sport Pilates and tons of information about fitness. That means everything you need on one platform, that's BodyProCoach. Thank you so much. See you next time.